Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another quick troubleshooting video. I got this call out. Today's Sunday. I got this call out to this telehandler here. They got two of these set telehandlers and they're using in this community, putting this roofing stuff in here. And yeah, this is a 2-hour drive for me. And so they said that it was running fine, and out of nowhere it just cut out. And you turn the key and the lights would turn on, but then you would turn it again to start it and nothing would happen. So you would just hear the fuel pump working, and that's about it. So I had talked to him on the phone and I said, hey, check all the fuses. There's fuses in here, right, with the relays down there. And he said that he checked them all. Then if you go on this side, there's fuses in here. These are your main fuses. All right, you got your 30 amp main fuse, and then I think that's a 100 amp fuse right there. And then you got a little tiny 5 amp fuse there. But you also have one here that he did not know about. And you honestly really can't see it because it was tucked in here. So originally what I was gonna do is use my power probe to test to see if the starter works. And the starter is down here on the other side, so we'll go in here. All right, we're underneath the machine here. And the starter is right there, from what I can see. Yeah, starter's right there, and there's your main power cable to the battery. So I'm chilling here. Next thing you know, I look to my left and I see this. I'm like, oh look, this looks like a big red cable. Looks like a power cable. There must be a fuse in there, obviously. So I open it up and the fuse is blown. And this looks like the fuse for the starter. It goes into the main harness, but I think this is the main fuse for the starter, or for just the ignition system in general. But yeah, so I crawl out of this mug. God. I replaced the fuse. Now the machine turns on. Now what I think happened is this here. This is either rubbing against here or this here. This is fiberglass, but still, I think something's rubbing up against here and it caused a short. Cause I'm following these cables around, I can't really see anything that's kind of rubbing in against them or anything like that. That harness comes around over here, and then goes to your battery. And I think this goes to your starter. It's something over here. This big cable here from the battery goes to your starter. So somewhere along the way from down there and here. So yeah, 2-hour drive for a 2-minute fix. But you know, if you don't know what you're looking for, it can take you all day, or you know, you have to call somebody out. And I tried to help them over the phone, but you know, it's tough to guide people through some of these issues. You have to go and look at it yourself. So hopefully this helps somebody in the future, and I'll let the customer know that that's where that fuse is in case this happens again. They don't have to call me out. You know, I don't mind taking the money, but the thing is, You also don't want to drive 2 hours just to replace a fuse. Might as well let the customer know if it happens again what to check, and you know, that helps them out and it keeps you from having to come out here, and you can take care of your other customers. I'll give this a once over again, make sure that everything is good, nothing is loose or rubbing against something, so this doesn't happen again and they're not stranded with all this material to put away. Anyways, this is Sunday. I gotta go home, hang out with my family, so I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.